11 Health benefits of beet juice. Beet juice contains compounds, such as antioxidants and electrolytes, that may support cardiovascular and brain health, among other benefits. The beet is a bulbous, sweet root vegetable that most people love or hate. It's not new on the block, but it's risen to superfood status over the last decade or so. Research shows that drinking beet juice, or beetroot juice, may benefit your health. Here's how. 1. Helps lower blood pressure. Beet juice may help lower your blood pressure. A 2022 meta-analysis trusted source notes that nitrates derived from beetroot juice lowered systolic blood pressure in adults with hypertension. Nitrates are compounds in beet juice that convert into nitric oxide in the blood and help widen and relax blood vessels. 2. Improves exercise stamina. Drinking beet juice may increase plasma nitrate levels and boost physical performance. A 2017 review of research trusted source determined that long-term consumption of beetroot juice over 5 to 6 days may have the following benefits. Increasing performance in time trials. Increasing the amount of time to reach exhaustion. Improve cardiorespiratory performance. However, the researchers also noted that combining beetroot juice with caffeine may reduce the benefits, though more research is needed. 3. May improve muscle power in people with heart failure. The results of a 2016 study trusted source suggest that consuming 70 milliliters, 1/3 cup, of beetroot juice daily for 1 week may improve exercise tolerance in older adults with heart failure. The researchers noted that participants' aerobic exercise endurance improved by 24%. 4. Helps you maintain a healthy weight. Straight beet juice is low in calories and has virtually no fat. It's a great option for your morning smoothie. As you start your day, it'll give you a nutrient and energy boost. But note that it is high in natural sugars. 5. May prevent cancer. Beets get their rich color from betalains, which are water-soluble antioxidants. It also contains trusted source other flavonoids and polyphenolic compounds, which may have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Betalains and other antioxidants may help find and destroy free radicals or unstable molecules in the body, which, in large numbers, can promote inflammation and increase the risk of cancer. 6. May support health while on chemotherapy. Other research trusted source suggests that beetroot juice has potential chemoprotective properties. This means it may help reduce side effects and damage to the body caused by chemotherapy. This can include fatigue. However, the authors of the review note that additional research is needed, particularly to see if beetroot juice may interact with chemotherapy and other medications. 7. Good source of potassium. Beets are a good source of potassium, a mineral and electrolyte that helps nerves and muscles function properly. Drinking beet juice in moderation can help keep your potassium levels optimal. If potassium levels get too low, fatigue, weakness, and muscle cramps can occur. Very low potassium may lead to life-threatening abnormal heart rhythms. Having potassium levels that are too high can result in similar symptoms and be life-threatening. People with chronic kidney disease and end-stage renal disease may need to follow a low-potassium diet, so they should talk with a healthcare professional before regularly consuming beet juice. 8. Good source of other minerals. Your body can't function properly without essential minerals. Some minerals boost your immune system, while others support healthy bones and teeth. Besides potassium, beet juice provides trusted source: iron, magnesium, manganese, sodium, zinc, copper, selenium. 9. Good source of folate. Folate is a B vitamin that helps prevent neural tube defects, such as spinal bifida and anencephaly. It may also decrease your risk of having a premature baby. Beet juice is a good source of folate. If you're pregnant, adding folate to your diet can help you get the daily recommended amount of 600 micrograms trusted source for pregnant people. 10. Supports your liver. The antioxidant betaine potentially helps prevent or reduce fatty deposits in the liver, according to Animal Studies' trusted source. Betaine may also help protect your liver from toxins, though more studies are needed. Trusted source. Fatty deposits in the liver can lead to a condition known as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease due to a poor diet, excessive alcohol consumption, exposure to toxic substances, sedentary lifestyle. 11. May reduce cholesterol. If you have high cholesterol, consider adding beet juice to your diet. The betaine in beetroot juice may help lower trusted source LDL, or bad cholesterol. A 2020 review trusted source noted that beetroot juice may have a beneficial effect on both LDL and an HDL, or good cholesterol, according to multiple studies cited. Researchers believe beetroot's cholesterol-lowering potential is likely due to its phytonutrients, such as flavonoids. Precautions. Your urine and stools may turn red or pinkish after eating beets. This condition, known as beeturia, is harmless. However, it may be startling if you don't expect it. If you have low blood pressure, drinking beet juice regularly may increase the risk of your pressure dropping too low. Monitor your blood pressure carefully. If you're prone to calcium oxalate kidney stones, you may need to avoid beet juice. Beets are high in oxalates. Trusted source, naturally occurring substances that form crystals in your urine. They may lead to stones. Frequently asked questions about beet juice. Is it okay to drink beet juice every day? Beet juice can provide beneficial nutrients such as antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Drinking it regularly, or every day is fine, and may help support your health, reduce inflammation, and increase your exercise stamina. Trusted source, among other benefits. What is beet juice good for? The many health benefits of beet juice include: may help lower your blood pressure, may help reduce LDL or bad cholesterol, can improve your exercise stamina, may improve muscle strength in people with heart failure, can help you maintain a healthy weight, helps prevent or reduce fatty deposits from forming in your liver, are an excellent source of potassium and essential minerals like iron and manganese, may prevent cancer, may support your health if you are on chemotherapy. Does beet juice detox your body? Your body naturally detoxifies itself without the need for a specific diet, such as beetroot juice. Your kidney, liver, digestive system, and other organs typically work together to remove toxins. However, beet juice contains beneficial nutrients that may support your overall health along with a balanced diet. Does beetroot juice really lower your blood pressure? Yes, the nitrates in beets can significantly lower your blood pressure. While both raw beetroot juice trusted source and cooked beets were found to be effective at lowering blood pressure, raw beet juice had a greater effect. Takeaway: beets are nutritious no matter how you prepare them. If you don't like beet juice straight up, try adding some apple slices, mint, citrus, or a carrot to cut through the earthy taste. If you decide to add beet juice to your diet, take it easy at first. Start by juicing half a small beet and see how your body responds. As your body adjusts, you can drink more. We hope this video is helpful to you, and please subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Turn on notification and share the video with your friends and family.